You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Hebrew pronunciation, biblical name for more names from the Bible that many get wrong. Make sure to stay tuned. Hebrew pronunciation, Tel Hazor. Tel Hazor. In English, Tel Hazor. Tel Hazor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.